Jeff Kelly here with MarineMax, Lake Ozarks. Today we're on a 2025 Cruisers Yachts 50 Cantius. Let's go for a ride.
Something happened when you walked out through my door. Can't imagine what my life was like before.
Here we are on the aft of the boat. We've got a beautiful aft lounger. We've also got a joystick docking station here on the aft of the boat, and these beautiful bar stools to allow you to serve drinks in and out.
Dreamed a thing like this, what a feeling, flying through the universe.
And here we are in the climate-controlled cockpit of the boat. We've got a very nice, large galley equipped with 2 starboard side refrigerators, another refrigerator freezer here in the galley, microwave, kindling grill, an entertainment system, and lots of natural light. Here we are at the helm of the Cruisers Yachts 50 Cantius. We've got 2 large 16-inch Garmin screens, electronic binnacles, joystick controls, and excellent views out the bow of the boat.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.